So if your garden bed has corner posts, there are a couple of things that you can do and a couple things to consider. The first thing to consider is that all garden grids are sized to fit the interior dimensions of most garden beds. So this 4x4 garden grid that you see here actually measures about 44 inches by 44 inches to accommodate the thickness of the garden bed board material. So if the dimensions between your corner posts are greater than the size of a garden grid, you're good to go. But if the dimensions between them are smaller, here's what you do. The first and easiest thing to do would be to fill your garden bed to the very top with soil. That way the soil level is at or above the height of your post. Doing so then lets your garden grid sit on top of the post while also being supported across the middle by the height of the soil. If your corner posts are above the height of your garden bed though, the other option you have is to order a cornerless garden grid. And basically what that is a garden grid where these tubes are omitted, but water streams still spray out so you can grow in the area left over while still accommodating the space for the post. Cornerless garden grids are available on all 3x and 4x garden grid sizes. All you have to do to order it is include in your order notes at checkout that you'd like your garden grid made cornerless.